Hello everybody. Today in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to create a lightsaber using Video Copilot for After Effects. You could use this for an image, or you could use this for video. All right. On this page, you're gonna want to scroll down to where it says download for Windows, and then right here, download for Apple. And once it's in, when you're installing, you're gonna want to link to the After Effects folder that it's been downloaded to. You're gonna want to get your your footage or your image. Mine's just right here. All right, so once that's there, just all you have to do, right click in this empty space, right click, new solid. There you go. And you see right here where it says Video Copilot, just double click Saber. And just gotta change the blending mode to either add screen or lighten. Let's try lighten. I like this one because you could get more glow. All right, right here, you're gonna wanna look for the core where it starts, which right here. And where it ends, it's right here. So you just gotta click these. Now, to mess more with the settings, the core. There you go. You could change the glow spread. Like so. Could bring this up even more. And that's pretty it. Also, there's a bunch of other presets you could change, like the core, electric, energy. And if I press the space bar, you can see how, well, my computer is kind of slow because, I'm recording this, but you can see it actually works really cool for, video as well. And if you want to change the colors, right here, glow color. And there you go. You got a Mace Windows Saber. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you on the next tutorial.